Hi guys, I'm Pasta and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be showing you everything that I got recently from Club Factory, and to your surprise and to mine also, they also have lehengas, sarees and kurtis and whatnot, all the ethnic stuff. They do have everything on their website. So I ordered a bunch of lehengas. Also, I know you can see my pants, so here's the look. Also इसके साथ कितना बोल रही हूँ मैं, इसके साथ snake print boots. I love my outfit. Anyways, now let's just get into the haul. Now for the first lehenga, this is what the picture looks like, and this is what the lehenga actually looks like. I love it. The material is nice. जो घेरा है वो भी बहुत अच्छा है. The pattern is also nice, and I actually like almost everything about it. And this is the cloth for the blouse, I believe. And yes, these are semi-stitched. Yeah, semi-stitched और कुछ शायद पूरे stitch नहीं हुए हैं. So this is what the lehenga looks like. And honestly, for the price that I'm paying, I think it is really nice. I'm gonna put the price on the screen because I'm not sure कि किसका क्या है. I don't remember. I ordered them a while ago. Also, I want to talk to you about this thing that their app or their website have, that you can only order one thing. मतलब कार्ट में जाता ही नहीं है. एथनिक का कुछ भी कर लो, एक चीज एक टाइम पे ही ऑर्डर होती है, प्लस उस पे कैश ऑन डिलीवरी सिर्फ एक पे ही होता है. अगर हम दूसरा भी ऑर्डर करना चाहेंगे तो फिर हमें कार्ड से करना पड़ेगा. सो आई मेड 5 different IDs and then I ordered all of this. You see, chunni हूँ मैं एकदम. So this is the first thing. Now on to the second one. Here's the picture of what it actually looked like on the website, and this is what it actually looks in person. My mom really likes it, but I am not very satisfied with the ghera that this thing has. I love the material, I love the print, and I almost love everything apart from the ghera thing. So this is the lehenga, and this is what the blouse ka kapda looks like, and you can get it made however you like. Now on to the next, but before that I think I should show you iski chunni bhi na. And this is what the chunni looks like. ये बिल्कुल print के साथ जाने वाली है. So that's about it for the second lehenga. Now on to the third one, but before I think मुझे इसको साफ करके ढंग से रख देना चाहिए, वरना मेरी मम्मी मेरे को बहुत डांटेंगी. So for the third one, this is what it looks like on the website, and this is not exactly lehenga but kind of a gown thing. So this is how it came. This was only and only for rupees 298. I only paid 298 rupees for this. But at the same time, the thing is not that great. It is see-through first of all. I hope you can see that. Maybe, I don't know. But this is see-through, and this is what the blouse material looks like. So I'm not really sure if this is worth the money. And the material is also very weird and rough. I don't know, but it just looks very cheap to me. Like quality wise cheap lag raha hai. But if you're interested in investing something like this and then getting it made बाहर से अच्छा सा कुछ इसी कपड़े को इस्तेमाल करके, then you're welcome to buy it. I'll leave all the links in the description box below, and this is what the third one looked like, and my mother doesn't like it at all. I'm not sure कि मेरे को और क्या बोलना चाहिए इनके बारे में, but it's just not that good. मतलब इतनी अच्छी क्वालिटी नहीं है बस. On to the fourth one. This is the dream lehenga, and I've seen so many pictures of people wearing something like this, and I was very curious कि ये actually Club Factory पे 500 रुपए के अंदर मिल रहा है, तो कैसा है ये, ठीक है? So this is what came to my house. First of all, this is what the lehenga looks like. Lehenga बोले तो नीचे की skirt part looks like. And I'm not that happy because इसका भी वो रेड वाले लहंगे टाइप से है कि बहुत ही कंस्ट्रिक्टेड टाइप का घेरा है. मतलब वो पूरा ऐसे नहीं जाएगा, बट एक सिलेंडर टाइप का बन रहा है इससे. I don't know if you can see that or not, but इसका कुछ ऐसा सा ही है. Anyways, this is not the velvet material. It is kind of suede, and although the print looks good in the picture, and the blue color is also very kind of navy blue, but in reality it is very bright blue, like royal blue maybe you can say, and also the print looks very tacky and like very huge. I don't know why I'm saying bad things about all of these, but honestly for the price that you're paying you're getting a really nice thing. Like क्वालिटी में इतना ज़्यादा बुरा कुछ भी नहीं है, इसमें बस ऊपर से पैसे लगाने हैं और बनवाओ बोले तो स्टिच करवाना है, and you'll be good to go. And I think this is actually a nice thing. I am just someone who doesn't like बड़े वाले prints, so that was it. And this is what the चुन्नी है कि क्या है ये? Oh, this is what the blouse material looks like. Yeah. So this is what the chunni looks like. Again, white color मुझे नहीं लगता, पता नहीं कैसे जाएगा, but this is it. This is what the chunni looks like. So now on to the last lehenga for this video. Here's the picture of what it looked like on the website, and this is what it looks like in reality. First of all, I'm gonna show you the dupatta so that I don't forget about it. It has this kind of detailing, lace detailing at the end, and that's about it. Net ka dupatta hai patla sa. And for the blouse we have this, and I really like this lehenga. Honestly, I like the material and almost everything about it. And this is what the neck part looks like, and also the sleeves. And we have some extra kapda for the blouse. Now on to the actual lehenga. This is very sophisticated, something that I think I would wear if I need to. This is what the lehenga looks like. The material, like the pattern is only at the bottom. I think that the entire style and design is very classy. And also when I opt for ethnic pieces, I go for this color only. I love this color, ethnic with especially, and this is what it looks like. I love the material, and I'm not sure. I think I mixed opinions about each and every product, because there were some products that I really liked, but some were like, nah, I don't know. This was like my personal opinion on everything that I bought, and that was it for today's video. Everything was under 500 rupees, and I'm gonna mention the links in the description box below if you're interested in buying it. And this was my review on Club Factory's ethnic lehengas. Ethnic lehengas bola to lehengas. And that's about it. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye. But एक second. Subscribe, share and comment and like on my video. And finally, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.
Yeah. Baby girl, you're so damn fine, though. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind, though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robins.